Our project has now passed the most complex stage of construction, excavation, and start underground structural work for basement and wastewater treatment system, ensuring that once completed, our project will feature one of the most well-designed communal gardens in Phuket. Currently, structural work is progressing at full speed, especially after the New Year holidays and the world-renowned EDC music festival adjacent to the construction site. Our contractors are working diligently to keep everything on schedule. Next steps: installation of wastewater treatment tanks and clean water storage tanks beneath the buildings. Formwork setup for the first floor slab and second floor columns, continuing up to the rooftop. The first building structural work is expected to be completed by the end of April, with the final building completed by the end of June. Installation of in-room plumbing and main water supply systems on each floor.